Okay, today I'm going to describe why light seems to travel the same relative speed for a rocket ship and a stationary observer. So even if you are on a fast rocket ship approaching the speed of light and you shine the light out, from your point of view, it will still look like this light is exiting your ship at the speed of light. But the observer will also see the speed of light on that light beam. And no one's ever explained this to me. I've never seen an explanation for why. Um, Only the how with the math, but here's the physical reason why. Okay, so first we're going to define some reference views. So here's Earth, here's a rocket, and here's light. Okay, now on my previous video, I described how the physical reason time slows at the speed of light. And so look at that video, but for now, we'll say Earth ticks. Everybody on Earth has a tick rate at which their body observes things happening. This is due to relative motion. Time cannot exist without relative motion. So that's the previous video. Physical reason. Okay. Now, each tick on Earth is when a person wakes up. So the person wakes up from there and registers a brain tick, an observation, every tick. So these are the ticks. Okay, now on the Earth, the X position is 0 all the time. We're assuming this person never moves and that the Earth doesn't move. Okay, so their X position is 0 at every tick, every time they wake up. Now the person on the rocket, he's going very fast. We're going to define or set his tick rate to be 1/2 of the person on Earth. So he's going so fast that he only gets to wake up and observe an event every other tick rate of the Earth. So his ticks are like this. So those are his ticks. And his X position, he's going very fast now. When he starts at X position equals 0, but at time, at his tick number 1, he's going to be at 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's say he's just going at 1/2 the speed of light. So light is going to travel, and it's not going to have any ticks. It just never ticks. Okay, but its position is this. And we're just sort of defining these positions to make things relative to each other, so that his position on the rocket is 1/2 of the light position at every point in time, absolute time. Notice this guy's sense of time is only half as that guy's sense of time, but there's a real thing that's happening. If you're an observer on a rocket ship, you only get to observe on these tick marks. If you're on the Earth, you get to observe twice as many times. Okay, this is real. This isn't fakery with math, but this is what happens. So notice at tick time 1 on the Earth, where is the rocket? Or sorry, where is the light? The light is at X position 1. Okay. And now at the rocket ship's tick, at his tick equals 1, we'll make this a triangle. Where is the light at his tick number 1? Well, the light is here at position number 2. right away you can see why the person on the rocket ship sees light exiting his ship at the speed of light. Because when he opens his eyes at tick 1, his position call this X. His position is here at 1, but where's the light position? The light position is at 2. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. There's a delta of 1 unit of X. Let's call this light. Okay, now look for the Earth. When he opens his brain and he observes at 1, his position is at 0. So his position is at, I'll write it over here, 0. And where's the light? At his tick position, it's at 1. Little rectangle. So 1 minus 0 is 1. When they both open their eyes and they both observe something in their universe, they both observe the light being 1 distance away from themselves. So even though this rocket ship emanated light from the head beams, the light headlights, at this rate, and if it was traveling 1/2 of the speed of light, the observer on the rocket ship, when he first looks and he first takes his little recording and says, "Where's the light?" He says, "Wow, the light is 1 unit away. It's traveling at the speed of light." But the observer on Earth also opens at his first chance he gets to open his eyes, and he says, "Well, where's the light?" Well, the light is 1 unit away. They both see light moving 1 unit away when their brain first registers their thought and makes an observation on the universe. And that is the physical reason why light seems to travel at the same relative speed for a rocket ship and a stationary observer. If you'd like to see my previous video, the physical reason time slows at the speed of light, look up that video too. Hope this helps your understanding. I've never seen this before. Bye.